This is it. This is the big one. Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Madden Mobile. Today we got a pack opening. I've acquired so many packs. There's an exclamation point at the top right. It doesn't count them anymore. We're at 154 unopened packs. You can see a lot of variety in here too. We're going to open this Gatorade one first because I don't actually know what's in it. And it's a Gatorade bottle. Honestly, should have expected that. Let's just start. Let's get these uncommon ones out of the way. Guaranteed uncommon. So yeah. Is it guaranteed uncommon? Those last couple may include rares. I'm not sure. I know the first ones are guaranteed uncommon. Anyway, one of these ones up here, I believe it's the last one, is a guaranteed iconic. So that'll be fun because we don't know when it's going to happen. Alright, you got Tanner Vallejo, Connor Williams, Greg Gaines, Trey Flowers, Jason Verrett, Britton Covey, Montez Sweat, Xavier Woods, another Connor Williams, Donald Parham, Deion Dawkins, Benjamin, all uncommons. I might be wrong on the rare thing. I may be wrong. Corey Davis, yep. I think these are guaranteed. Oh no, you can get a rare out of these. Hey, I was right. Got the first rare of today. Oh, and another one at Parham. Carson Wentz. Taysom Hill. DeAndre Swift. Go Lions. Donald Parham. Benjamin. Donald Parham again. And Greg Gaines. Alright. And next we'll do the possible rares. Or the more likely to be rares. Because I guess those were possible rares too. Never known that. I've always thought they were guaranteed uncommons. Another 20 packs. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that name. He's back. Hey, Trey Flowers. There's a rare. Parham is back again. Cairo Santos. Oh, ETN. There's another rare. Yeah, rares are definitely more prominent in these. Dante Fowler. That's a long name. Basham. Another, yeah, rares are really prominent. No, there's Basham again, but they're definitely more prominent in these newer packs. The ones that happen when, ooh, J.J. Watt at tight end. The last one's probably got a really good chance for a rare. Yeah, look at how much blue is on this one. But it's still uncommon. Sometimes you just get unlucky. Now, these ones here, a lot of them are New Year's packs. Let's grab the first 6 and see what's in there. A playoffs player, Hayden Hurst. Ooh! Double playoffs, Aaron Banks and Dorrance Armstrong, 2 rares. Okay. So, and then here's the New Year's. There's a Matt Hack. Oh, Jerry Jeudy, New Year's. Okay. Okay, there's the 5s. Yup. Naughty. Next 6. Alright, the 5s are coming in real fast. Greg Zerline, a.k.a.? I don't know what this pack is. Matt Hack. Andy Dalton. Oh! CJ Gardner Johnson? What are these packs? Honestly, what are these packs? That's an epic right there. First epic of the video, and there's New Year's Derek Nottie. Jerry Judy. Andy Dalton, yep, New Year's. Oh, there. That's nice. Double playoffs player. AKA Greg Zerline. And a double New Year's player. And now this last one should be the iconic. There's 5 New Years. 5 New Years. There's a punter that apparently can go on my team. Covey. Santos. Okay. So this one should be the guaranteed iconic. So we're not opening them yet. Let's do the game days. Oh, it's coin or TP. Coin or trading points. Okay. Okay, so we're just getting some coins. It's all coins. No training points. Oh, there's the training points. And I guess this must be the same thing. It just says game day pack. Oh, okay. 2 rares and an uncommon. Alright. Next, what do we do? Let's do the playoffs next. We've already got like a few playoffs players. See exactly what these ones are. Alright. A new screen is already something. Just a Greg Joseph. Strong. Okay. So these are just our regular playoffs players. These must be like the ones from the 3. Okay, there's 2 of them. Yeah, this is the complete 3 events, and you get a playoffs player and a guaranteed uncommon. So you ain't gonna be seeing much from these. Yeah, there's nothing in here. I mean, we can use them because it's playoffs and there's sets, but oh, there's 2. Like, I doubt we're gonna see any heat in here. A lot of Kaiser White. Yeah, that was it. Okay. 5. That's a Kaiser White. Okay, there. Alright. Do your championship run next? Let's do the New Year's players. See my guaranteed to go to New Year's players. Jerry Judy. Guaranteed to go. Set fodder. We're about to get 4 Jerry Judys. Oh no, Philip Joseph. And there's another guaranteed rare. Yeah, we'll do championship run next. Got 17 of these. Doubt we get anything more than an uncommon. Yeah. Just set fodder is what this is. Oh, okay. There's a rare. Yeah, just a bunch of uncommons and then the one rare. Like I said before, it's set fodder. We're gonna be doing all the sets in this video too, so Stick around, it gets better. Team of the week. We can do pro packs. Let's do my offensive line pack. Deion Dawkins. Alright, and then this is a linebackers pack. Oh! Oh! Epic Brian Urlacher. Alright, I was not expecting heat from that pack. Let's do pro packs. One will give me an epic. That's my prediction. We get one epic from 18 pro packs. Alright, starting off with a rare DeAndre Swift. Another rare DJ Dallas. Alright, keep it up. We're doing pretty well on this one. We've pulled more rares than uncommons. Wow. This is insane, actually. We're gonna be able to get so many epics at the end. Maybe an iconic today, maybe. Okay, yeah, the amount of rares I was getting is... Oh, Andre Reed! There's my one epic! Andre Reed! You know? Yeah, these packs are cracked. Oh, yeah, we're getting a little worse at the end. Down to 12 packs, but one was a guaranteed iconic, one was a guaranteed epic. Got some all-pro and some team of the week. Let's go. These are guaranteed rares. So, Montez Sweat, Maddox, Carlos Santos. Oh, Alan Faneca! Epic offensive guard. Oh, that's a huge pull right there. Alright, we're going all pros. Oh! 118 Kirby Joseph. That's a heater. It's a heater in the all-pro pack. And then a lot of nothing. Yeah. Definitely made up for it. All Madden pack. Big money. Oh my! Iconic Julius Peppers. Out of all Madden. Out of all Madden. Give me the screenshots. Give me the screenshots, baby. 132 Julius Peppers. The most feared, I think. Let's go guaranteed epic. Okay, Cordell Patterson safety. And then guaranteed iconic is what I believe this is. I was right. Pat Pete, 139. A team of the week. That's solid. All right, now let's do that best lineup here. Jumped by like 4 minutes. Where's my iconic offensive guy? Vera Tucker. We don't need him anymore because Faneca. That's kind of sad. Andrew Wiley, you're not going in there. You're Series 5. Terrence Steele gets to stay. He was defensive end. So Strahan's gone. Okay. Elijah takes out Zadarius Smith. Alright, so it's not much of an upgrade there. Yeah, Pat Pete. Does that mean... Yeah, Deion Sanders is gone. Must have had him in like the last pack opening because I have no recollection of him. He was not a today pull. And then special teams, Stonehouse, you're not going in there. Matt Hack, your New Year's not going in there. Cameron Johnson is our punter. Alright, let's do some sets. They're trades. Yep, they're called trades. My bad, guys. Do we want to do rare players or rare plus players? We have a ton of them. We might as well do rare plus. Yeah, one of these will pay off. Okay. There's 2 rares. Alright. this. So far, they have not paid off. Oh, but it pays off! Dante Hall! 129! And we're not going to update team because I want an iconic out of this stuff. Grabbing an epic. There's Mike Evans. Who would we get iconic if we got an iconic? Right now the Dante Hall is looking pretty good. $151 anything's amazing. Definitely don't need the D-line here. Herbo? Will this be a replacing Fitz video? No, I think there's a better one. Do we just go and make a receiving core insane, or do we go O-line? I don't know. We might have to go receiving core. Oh, we can throw in a Gatorade to the set. New Year's. Do you want to do Rare Plus? Oh no, there is no Rare Plus. It's Rare Select, man. So you just get a bunch of rares. I wonder how many epics this will let us get here. Oh, we won away. We can't get any more. That kind of sucks. And the Matt Hack. Imagine we get epic Matt Hack. Is epic Matt Hack a thing? Oh, iconic Josh Jacobs would be nice. We don't have any other epic New Year's players, so it would be the only one getting out of this. Well, we will get 2, and we could... Anthony Munoz. Oh, offensive tackle. Yes! We got a stupid rare offensive tackle. And we could get a random, or we could select for Josh Jacobs. Not rare. Wait, do we need New Year's tickets to select? So I already had Clay Matthews, so championship run. What can we do here? Can't get an epic yet. Can we get a rare? Oh, we have to be able to get a rare using this, right? Yes. Two rares. Okay. Can we do it again? Nope. Just make sure that I might have enough to do the set later. See, so I'm still just one away from that set. So we can get 1 championship run epic. And it's a corner L'Jarius Sneed. So he'll go in over Jiley. So a good QB here now. A lot of Vikings. There's not that many players in here anyway. I don't think we're going for Team of the Week, Josh Allen. I don't think we do it. See, now we have this. That would be interesting, but I think we have to do this. The Iconics. I don't have enough coins, but I have way more than enough players. So these will be another day. 100% unless we can get some just random coins. I don't think we can, so... Oh. We added the Oh, the Dante Hawk goes in over Sewell and Mike Evans. Okay. Okay, I know I can just take him out of the lineup later. As we can see, it'll be going up in like a short, but we got the James Houston. That's huge. All iconic D-line is nice. We could have all iconic, what's that, secondary, but we just need to upgrade Micah. But we could do that iconic select. Let's do it. Iconic select, end the video. Offensive select, 132 plus. Select any of these. QB would be nice, obviously. Oh, Megatron. You know I love the AKA players. He's not fast. That's the problem with Fitz. Beast mode? These ones are kind of out of the question because they're just so low. You know, it's the Okoyes and Tyreek are both good, but we're either going for a halfback or a quarterback. And the QBs are apparently non-existent. Or Megatron, but who's faster? Sanders is faster in Beast Mode. Beast Mode's way stronger. If we have a fast QB. Faster than Megatron. Megatron is fast as 1 point faster. But he's 6'5". How tall is he? 5'11"? 5'8". Okay, I think we're gonna go with Beast Mode just off of how much I love the AKA promo. How fast is Vic? 138. Like, this is laughable compared to that Herbo. We might have to go for Justin Herbert because Vic's like a fast QB. We're gonna grab the Beast Mode. Sub him in. And then Bailey will be my fullback. So Ryan Stonehouse, stay out of my punting section. But that's a pretty solid. It's a pretty solid team. Really well. Couple new iconic acquisitions, which is amazing. So, pack opening video that actually recorded. We'll see you guys in the next one.